Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Western Union app to bank step by step clearly. To withdraw from the Western Union app to your bank account, begin by opening the Western Union app on your mobile device. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the account section, usually found at the bottom of the screen. In the account section, look for the option labeled withdraw or send money. Select you will see various withdrawal methods. Choose bank transfer from the available options. Next, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. If this is your first withdrawal, you may need to link your bank account. To link your bank account, select the Add a Bank Account option. Fill in the required information, including your bank's name, account number, and routing number. After entering your bank details, verify that the information is correct. Once your bank account is linked, go back to the withdrawal screen. Confirm the withdrawal amount and the selected bank account. Review any fees associated with the withdrawal. If everything looks good, proceed by tapping the Withdraw or Send button. You will receive a confirmation notification once your withdrawal is processed. Keep an eye on your bank account over the next few days for the funds to arrive. For any issues or questions, consult the app's help section or contact customer support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.